Yebo, inganezwa wethi impela sibona lapha ke Ndumandumane ke uDr Khehlelezi njengoba ke esephendula izinsolo ke ezizungeza phana ke izinkundleni ke zokuxhumana ezithi wakhalelwa kaMasongo kaSigonyela ngenkathi ke wayemiswa amaphoyisa womgwaqo ngenxa yokushayela ke imoto ngesivinini ke esiphezulu. Kanti ke inganezwa wethi impela uDr Khehlelezi bekhona phana ekhasini lakhe ke live eqinisekisa ukuba cha impela ke aMasongo kaSigonyela ke impela ke akazi ke amfice futhi akazi ke amkhalele. Kanti ke inganezwa wethi impela bese exa phana ngeDepartment of Transport njengoba ke yathi ke kunenyanga ke edumile ke yakhalelwa kaMasongo kaSigonyela ngenxa yokushayela ke imoto ke ngesivinini ke esiphezulu. Cha impela ke lokho kwamampunge ke aMasongo kaSigonyela cha impela ke akazi ke amkhalele. Kodwa ke wenganenza ukuthi impela beseveza ukuthi ke kunelanga lapha ke okuzomela ke ayovela khona phana ke enkantolo okusho kona ke wenganenza ukuthi ke impela bona ke amaphoyisa omgwaqo ke amvimba kodwa aMasongo cha impela ke akazi bona ke amkhalele. Ake wenganenza ukuthi impela phana basikhuluma kakhulu la kwiMbuso City MTV bafethu ke akusinshila yona ke le nkulumo ka Dr Khehlelezi beyenza live pha ekhasini lakhe ke lo ka Facebook nangenizwele.
uDokotela uKhehlelezi lo namhlanje idate ithi umhla ka5 kuMarch 2026 isikhathi sami sithi cishe u12:30 emini. I am live right now. There are people who are always waiting for your downfall in life. There are people who are always waiting for your downfall. Your success will be a threat to an enemy. There are rumors circulating. Even Department of Transport lied publicly. They lied. The problem is I can't go and say I'm opening a case for them because they had a strategy whereby they didn't mention my name, but they say Dinyang Etumile. Oh, well then, Angyoni Nyang Etumile, but maybe a case that any Nyang Etumile, I fall kuyoni top 14, no me top 10 in KZN. So people are now saying uKhehlelezi has been arrested and Uboshi Upagati. And you know, I'm not arrested. I'm talking to you right now. I'm here, Scotland. And yesterday I was there, Scotland. So I'm not arrested. So people stop spreading lies. And even tomorrow, whereby I will be consulting my people. And even today, I'm still busy with my people. So why? Kufanele baqamba manga kuthiwa ngibanjiwe hamba ngo171 speed. Guys, they must stop lying. I was not driving at 171. I was not at all. I was not driving at 171. And they must stop lying ukuthi ngiphakathi ngiboshiwe ngiphakathi ejele. No. There was a reason why I was speeding. And that's the other thing that I hate driving, because you know, when you are a prominent person, they will look for small things, and if you are in politics, they will fight politics in each and every way. So I was not driving at 171. That's the first lie. The second lie is maybe if one day I will be given a chance to talk about the corruption of the police also. So, but for now, let me reserve whatever it is that I have for the court. Yes, the case was open for me for speeding. Yes, it was opened. I am going to court on, I think on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to court on Tuesday. So, not to go to say like yes, we are talking about that's a lie. Ngikhona njengoba nibona. Eneke angiboni ukhona umuntu ongahleka umuntu ukuthi ya woshiwe yawa like you know isiZulu sithi icala lembula ingubo lingene. It comes unexpectedly. Angibulalanga umuntu, angishayanga umuntu, angenza ubunsizwa icala nje lebunsizwa leli. ubunsizwa nje ukuthi you are driving, and when you are driving, this is the mistake that you have done. Not ukuthi sengihamba giya ngaleyo nto. You know I downfall yomuntu omnyama ilethwa umuntu omnyama. You'll never see abelungu posting around about another white umlungu hambe giya, but it will be always umuntu omnyama eshaya omunye umuntu omnyama.